My name is Jennifer Logue, and I'm the Ag and Natural Resources Educator for Purdue University in Union County. Today, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the lesson Food Waste and Water from the unit Food Waste and the Environment through the Nature of Teaching. In this lesson, youth will learn how to construct a mini landfill, how a landfill works, and how food waste and landfills affect water quality and climate change. Vocabulary terms in this lesson include landfill leachate, food waste, and eutrophication. There are many ways to connect this lesson plan to reading and science. You can download the full lesson plan at purdue.edu/nature.